Good morning students. Today we are going to see the exercise problems 2.1. See, first write the next three natural numbers after 10,999. So what is given is you have to write the next natural numbers after 10,999. So what is mean by general, what is mean by natural numbers? So natural numbers are nothing but the numbers which starts from 1. So natural numbers. So natural numbers are nothing but the numbers starting from 1, 2, 3, etc. like this. So see here what number is given, 10,999. You have to write the next three natural numbers. So for this what you have to do, you add plus 1 with 10,999. So add 1 with 10,999. What you will get? 9 plus 1 is 10, 0. Carry over 1, 1 plus 9 is 10, 0. Again carry over 1, 1 plus 9, 10. 1 plus 0 is 1 and you put the 1 like this. So now what you are getting? 11,000. So this is the first number after 10,999. So how many numbers you have to find? You have to find 3 numbers. So this is the first number. Now we are going to find the second number. For this you simply add 11,000 with 1. So 11,000 plus 1. What you will get? You simply get 11,001. So next, this is the second natural number. Then next you are going to find the third natural number after 10,999. So you simply add 11,001 with 1. So 11,001 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. You put the zeros and here 1, 1. So what you are getting? 11,002. So these three are the natural numbers coming after 10,999. So you simply write the answer. You write the next three natural numbers are. So the next three natural numbers after 10,999 are. So what are the numbers? 11,000. This is the first number. Then 11,001 second number and 11,002. So these things are so simple. You have already studied in your 5th standard itself. Now come to the second question. Write the three whole numbers occurring just before 10,001. So here you have to find the three numbers that are occurring just before the 10,001. So what you have to do? You have to subtract 1 from 10,101 and again 1 from 10,000. Likewise you have to find the three whole numbers occurring just after 10,001. See, what is mean by whole numbers? So this chapter is mainly based on the whole numbers. You already know that whole numbers should always start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. While natural number starts from 1, 2, 3. So now we are going to find the numbers, three whole numbers occurring just before 10,001. So now you see what in general what is the meaning for whole numbers? The numbers starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. So the numbers which starts from 0 are known as the whole numbers. So here you have to find the three whole numbers occurring just before 10,001. So here the given number is 10,001. So if you want to find the before value, means what you have to do? You simply subtract 1 from the given number. So subtract 1. See here 1 minus 1 is 0. Put 0 as it is and here it is also 0, 0 and put 1. So now what you are getting? 10,000. This is the first whole number occurring just after 10,001. Next you have to find the other number occurring just after 10,001. So for this you simply subtract 1 from this 10,000. So what you will get? See, 10,000 minus 1. See here it is 0. So here it is also 0. So you can borrow 1. So here it will become 9. So here it will become 10. And again you are giving borrow means here it will become 9. So here it will become 10. And again you are giving 1 means 9. Here it is 10. Now you subtract. When you subtract 1 from 10 you will get 9. And here there is no number. So simply put 9 as it is. So here it is also there is no number, so you simply put 9. So here it is 9. So what is the second number we are getting? 9999 is the second number occurring just before 10,001. So this is the second number. Now you have to find the one more number. For this you simply subtract 1 from this 9999. So what you will get? 9999 subtract 1. See, when you subtract 1 from 9 you will get 8. Here there is no number, so you simply put 9, and here is also there is no number, so here you will put 9 and you put 9. So the third whole number occurring just after 10,001 is 9998. So these three are the whole numbers occurring just before 10,001. So what are the numbers we have find it out? So you write the three whole numbers. Occurring just before. After means you have to add, before means you have to subtract 1 from the given number. 10,001 is, what are the numbers? 10,000, this is the first number. Then next second number is 9,999. Then the third number is 9,998. So these two exercise problems we have solved. Next we move on to the third problem. So next you see the third question, which is the smallest whole number. So see, in general what is mean by whole number? Whole numbers are nothing but the numbers which starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 etc. It goes on like this. So see here, which is the smallest number? 0. 0 is the smallest whole number. So the answer is the smallest whole number is 0. Suppose you tell, if it is in the case of natural number means which is the smallest natural number? 1, because the natural numbers always starts from 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, likewise this goes on. So here in case of natural number, the smallest natural number is 1. If it is in the case of whole number, the smallest whole number is 0. So the answer is 0. So if anyone asks which is the smallest whole number means your answer will be 0. See next question. How many whole numbers are there between 32 and 53? See here, if it is asked like this means you just subtract the highest number, largest number from the smallest number. See here, which is the largest number? 53, and the smallest number is 32. When you subtract you will get 21. So these 21 is the answer. That means 21 whole numbers are lying between 32 and 53. So do you understand this sum? They are asking how many whole numbers are lying between 32 and 53. So for this, if this like question is asked means you simply subtract the largest number from the smallest number. So here the largest number is 53 and the smallest number is 32. So when you subtract you will get 21. So this 21 is nothing but that these 21 numbers, 21 number வந்துட்டு 53 க்கும் 32 க்கும் நடுவுல லை ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு. So suppose if you have doubt means you simply count. So 32 after how many which number will come? 33, 34. Likewise if you count means you will get 21 numbers. So see next one. This is so familiar for you. Write the successor of what is given? 24,40,702. So successor means what? The number after the given number or the next number. So see here we are going to find the successor for this 24,40,702. So you simply add 1 with the given number. So see here the successor of 24,40,702 is, if you add 1 means what you are getting? 24,40,703. So this is the successor for the given number 24,40,702. So see the next sum. The next is what question? You have to find the successor for 1,199. So For this, successor means what you have to do? You have to add 1 with the given number. So here the given number is 1,199,000. When you add 1 means you will get 1,200,000. So this 1,200,000 is the successor for the given number 1,199,000. So successor means you usually what you do? You add 1 with the given number. So the next you are going to see the predecessor for the how to find the predecessor for the given number. So see the next exercise problem. Write the predecessor of 94 and 2,08,090. So you already know how to find the predecessor for a given number. So here what is given number is 94. Predecessor means in general what is meaning for predecessor? Predecessor means the number lying before to the given number. See here the given number is 94. So now you have to find the predecessor of 94 or the previous number for the 94. So what is the previous number for 94? For this you simply subtract 1 from 94. So you will get 93. So 93 is the predecessor for the given number 94. So that means you have to subtract 1 from the given number. See, now the next question is 2,08,090. So the predecessor of 2,08,090 is what you will do? You simply subtract 1 from the given number. See here, by subtracting, here it is 0. So you have to get borrow from the near number. Here it is 9. When you get borrow means here it will become 8. Here you will get 10. So subtract 1 from 10, you will get 9. Here there is no number. So you simply put the same numbers as it is. So when you subtract 1 from the given number 2,08,090, you will get 2,08,089. So this is the answer. So predecessor, the main concept is, while in case of finding the predecessor, you have to subtract 1 from the given number. Suppose if it is in the case of if the successor is asked, means you have to add 1 from with the given number. So the remaining problems are solved in the next class. I will send the classwork note PDF through WhatsApp. Thank you.